The YOXUFA Torque Converter Riser Plate Kit is designed to enhance your engine's performance by elevating it, offering improved ground clearance and reduced vibration. This riser plate is compatible with a variety of popular engine models, including Predator 12cc, 224cc, 196cc, and Honda GX160 GX200, making it a versatile choice for many mini bikes and go-karts. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, the kit is built to withstand the weight of the engine and resist rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting durability in various conditions. The kit includes all necessary installation accessories, allowing for straightforward attachment of the motor to the base plate, with the ability to adjust the motor's position as needed. The smooth surface of the riser plate helps protect the engine and other components from potential damage during operation. With a user-friendly installation process, this riser plate kit is a reliable choice for those looking to optimize their mini bike or go-kart's engine setup.